Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are the student of MSDM final semester and studied at University of Lahore. Our group number is 7 and I am Furqan Ijaz Ahmed and group leader. And second member is Mohammad Ahmed Tayyab, subscriber, and Mohammad Ahmed, timekeeper. Our subject name is Warehouse and Inventory Management and presentation title is Effective Way of Inventory Management in E-Commerce Business. We chose this topic because of the current situation of worldwide current situation like COVID and our presentation overview is first of all we introduce the presentation, then objective, literature review, system overview, then limitation and enhancement of this topic, and at the end conclusion. First of all, as you know, my name is Furqan Ijaz and I am currently working in Regal Automobiles as a service in charge. Now come to the point, warehouse and inventory management. Why inventory management is important in e-commerce business and every business that are going online. First of all, we consider most important point why spoilage. Spoilage means everything have expiry period that vegetables like fruits, something like that, so that we sell out in some specific period because of failure of these things. Secondly, most important thing is avoid dead stock. Uh, it's like that spoilage. Everything has a expiry date, like milk, every eatable thing like chocolates. So we can sell in expiry date. And the last point is save on storage cost. When we store this thing for a long time, we bear a storage cost that is effective and highly uh, decrease the benefit. So we save this cost by sale at the time. Now, second presenter is Mohammad Ahmed. Mohammad Ahmed, please continue.
Bismillah Rahman Rahim. My name is Mohammad Ahmed. My topic is essential inventory management techniques. We have discussed different techniques which we use in inventory management. First technique is set par level. Set par level is very important in inventory management, which we have discussed. Make inventory management easier by setting par level of each of your products. It's mean par level are the minimum amount product that must be on a hand all time. It's mean how much amount of product which we have in our stock and we sell in the market. Second one is first in first out. First in first out is an important principle of inventory management. It means the stock gets sold first, not your newest stock. And third one is manage relationship. Manage relationship mean parts of successful inventory management. Inventory management is a successful inventory management techniques, which means whether you need to return a slow selling item to make room for a new product. It's mean you have different products and a product which is normally not used in the market. You have back on the stock or storeroom, and you introduce a new product which the people like very much. Contingency planning, a lot of issues can pop up related to inventory management. These types of problem can cripple unprepared businessmen. Regular auditing, we have audit the different types of audit or inventory. We have audit our product. This is different types of auditing, like physical inventory, spot checking, or cycle counting, and prioritize with ABC. This is an analysis which I discussed in my previous lecture. seen in this slide. Some products have more revenue than others. You can use ABC analysis report to grade the value of your stock based on a percentage of your revenue. We have categorized our revenue into three categories. A category is equal to percentage of stock that represent 80% of your revenue. B is equal to percentage of stock that represent 15% of your revenue. C is equal to percentage of stock that represent 5% of your revenue. Then I come previous slide. Accurate forecasting. This is very important in inventory management. We have forecast our business in the future. Like we have forecast for our product. Like accurate forecasting guaranteed sales from contracts and subscriptions. Second one is seasonally and the overall economy. Last year sales during the same week. Trends in the market this year. Growth rates, upcoming promotions, and plan ad spend. We have back on main slide. Next one is last in, first out. This is totally opposite first in, first out. It's made the last in, first out inventory management method assumes that that you acquired most recently was also sold first. This is totally opposite to the first in, first out. It's which you have newest product you sell first, and which is your oldest product you should on the back. Next one is just in time. Just in time means inventory management is a for the risk other takers out there. Through effective inventory management mitigates a lot of risk. It's been we have order from the market or from the supplier. We purchase the manufacturing parts and complete our order and transfer to the supply. Safety stock. Next one, safety stock is a like an emergency fund. It's basically inventory you set inside for use in emergency case. We have used for this technique. We have used formula. Safety stock is equal to maximum daily usage into maximum load time minus average daily usage into average lead time. Next one in reorder point. Reorder point tells of which it's time to replenish your stock. Once you know your safety stock level, you can consider lead time with your supply chain. The determine the ideal point. It's time to place your order. That's all the point which we have used in inventory management techniques. Next one is Muhammad Ahmed Tayyib.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Muhammad Ahmed Tayyib. I'm electrical engineer and my profession is I'm a teacher. My topic is an inventory management system can work for a small business. While many small business start out with the old school pen and paper method, this gets unwindly quick, especially if you have growth goals. Not to mention it make you more vulnerable to human error, which can lead to costly business mistakes. In this topic, objectives easy management of inventory, handle details of sales, purchase, balance stocks, make stock manageable, deals with the day-to-day requirements of any production organization. In this topic is a scope of production organization, industry departments, medical stores, department stores, control in this method using the method and control all departments in this for example production organization, grocery department, medical department, departmental stores, etc. Literature review, inventory management in e-commerce, so ethic accounting and inventory software, high-tech software. How system works. In this system will divide by different phases: setup phase, entry phase, testing phase, reporting phase, backup and restore phases. For example, in this step, admin versus start and login, company details, product entry, sales returns. After company details, product purchase and sales, stores, stocks, and stocks available, yes or no. Stocks available, yes. Decrease from stock, create invoice, customers payment, wholesalers log out, and then end. In this step, actor login. After login, inventory setup, product, opening stock, purchase and sales, login after report, current stock. In this actor login and utility. After utility is a backup, restore user, login after login about developer tails and exit. In this inventory system and control limit of and limitations, generate simple reports, single admin panel, small production organization, feature enhancement, loss and breakage, online payment system, use of Oracle and database system flexible in any type. And then next Mr. Fukanejas, please explain the conclusion.
At the end, conclusion of our presentation is the IMS system, inventory management system, is very accurate output that we gain by this. No human error is present in this, like calculations, inventory cost, everything accurately gained by this. And secondly, important thing is simple desktop application that any user use easily by any difficulty. At the end, overall production inventory management is going smoothly by a simple application. This is all over from our side. Thank you.